These types of marble music videos are going viral all over the internet, especially on YouTube. They're incredibly satisfying and people love watching them repeatedly. This faceless YouTube channel has gained over 5 million subscribers by uploading only a few videos and is making thousands of dollars every month. I've also found some new similar channels growing rapidly with these music videos. You will be shocked after seeing their video views. All of their videos are getting millions of views. For example, 407 million views, 349 million, 231 million, and more, which is just insane. So if you can make similar videos, you will definitely go viral and start making money. Let's check out their most viral video. While video professionals can create similar content using After Effects in Blender, it usually takes 3 to 5 days to complete a video. However, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create high-quality videos using just your mobile phone in only 5 minutes. Now let's watch the video I made using the same concept. To avoid copyright issues, I changed the music, and I'll show you exactly how to do the same. Here's the original music they used. And this is my music. I just changed the sound and I can create more variations like this. I've watched countless videos on YouTube to learn these techniques, but I couldn't find a complete guide. In this video, I'll share everything I learned after spending 2 days on this. I hope you won't need to watch any other videos after this. So let's get started. We will divide this video into 2 parts. In the first part, we'll learn how to create the video. First, download the game Beat Bounce from the App Store. If you're on Android, you can find it on the Play Store as well. I'll be demonstrating on my iPhone. When you open the app, you'll see a similar interface across devices. You can explore various game levels with different music tracks here. While you can start playing any of these, this isn't where we'll be making our video. So click to return to the home page. Now select User Levels, which will take you to a new page featuring a variety of pre-made levels with unique music tracks that you can record and use for your video. You can either create your video using one of these pre-made music tracks or by adding custom music. First, let me show you how to make a video with the pre-made music tracks and game levels. Click on one of the levels and you'll be taken to a new page. If you're using an Android device, you may need to download a screen recorder. For iPhone users, there's no need to download anything since iPhones come with a built-in screen recorder. Just make sure to grant permission for screen recording before starting. Turn on record mode, which will hide the game controls and only capture the animation. Once you click here, the recording will begin. With record mode on, the game will play automatically, following the rhythm of the music. You don't need to play the game yourself, just wait for it to finish. Keep in mind that while you're recording, you won't hear the music, but the sound will be captured in the video. However, I can't hear any sound or music beats during the recording. I'll show you the final result once it's done. Now that the recording is complete, let's open the gallery and turn on the sound. Here's the result. This looks fantastic. Since we're using the free version, you'll notice a watermark at the beginning of the video. But don't worry, I'll show you how to remove it later without affecting the video or sound quality. Now let me show you how to create your own animation using custom music and design. Click on User Levels again. This time, select Level Editor and you'll be taken to a new page. As you can see, I've already created several projects with different music tracks. If you don't have any music downloaded but still want to make a custom animation, click here and choose from the available tracks. You'll then be able to control and adjust everything from that page. Since I've already downloaded some music, I'll use that to create a video. So let's go back and click Create New. Now we need to upload our audio file. I'll be using a music track I downloaded from YouTube. Since it's an MP3 file and this app only supports MIDI files, we'll need to convert the MP3 into a MIDI format. To do that, you can use any file converter. I'll be using this one, and you'll find the link in the video description. Simply upload the MP3 file, and within seconds, it will be converted to a MIDI file. Let's go ahead and download the MIDI file. Next, click on Import MIDI File, select the file and press Next. Enter a name for the project and click Next again. This is where you can modify the sound of the music. If you click here, you'll see various sound options to choose from. Let's find the best one for this track. Let's start by clicking here. followed by selecting Save and then hit OK. You'll now see this page where we can personalize everything to create a unique animation video. First, we'll change the ball. If you click here, you'll find a selection of free balls to use. I think this one looks great. Next, click on Lighting to modify the environment, and then go to Particle to adjust the bounce animation style. I believe this one works well. Now we need to click the Next Object button repeatedly until it reaches 100%. Each click will generate a new object in sync with the music beats. As you can see, it's now 100% complete. To return to the first object, simply long press this icon. Finally, let's preview the video by clicking here. If you'd like to change the color of these objects, you can easily do so by adjusting these settings to find the perfect option. Here's the final result. To add your channel name to the video, simply click the plus icon, select Text, and type in your name. Here's how it looks. This is really exciting. You can follow the same process to add your name in different locations throughout the video. We're almost finished customizing the level. Next, click Publish, which will take you to this page where all your projects are listed. As you can see, our level is 100% complete, and now we can record the video. So let's go ahead and click Play. You'll be redirected to this page. Be sure to turn on the record mode, then start recording by clicking here. There's no need to play through the game. The video will automatically record. Let's open the video from my gallery. It looks amazing. However, there's a watermark at the beginning, so we need to remove that. The next step is editing the video. I'll be using the CapCut app since it's free and works on all devices. First, import the video from your device and drag it to the timeline. The watermark only appears at the start. So to remove it, we could use masking and keyframe animation, but that's quite time-consuming. Instead, since it's just at the beginning, we can simply cut that part to remove the watermark. The issue with this method is that it also cuts some of the audio. To solve this, I recommend using my approach. Import the MP3 file of the audio, duplicate the first few seconds, and export the audio separately. Then use that audio for the animation video. I've applied the same technique with this music, so I can now cut the first few beats from the video since that part is duplicated. Here's the result. I've uploaded some of my practice files to a new account, and you can check out the results. While it's not perfect, it's a decent start. Keep in mind that success on YouTube takes consistency. You won't achieve it overnight. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to support the channel's growth.